as you can guess, today we're learning how to make ghosts, son! But don't worry, these are friendly ghosts, and scaring is not their goal. Alright, to make your ghost, you're gonna need some tissues, cotton balls, string, and a marker. We're gonna start with our tissue. You wanna know how to make a dance? You put a little boogie in it. First, we're gonna take our tissue, we'll lay it down flat. Then we're gonna take one single cotton ball and put it right in the middle. We'll take the edges and the corners, and we're just gonna scrunch it up around our cotton ball so you can see it's starting to look like a ghost. So to keep it looking like this, we're gonna use our string. Now, you have to cut the string long enough so that it ties around the ghost and so that you can hold it, because we're gonna play a game with it later. So, we'll do about this much. Got my scissors to cut it. Great, so you take your string, lay it down here, put the ghost on top, and we'll just tie a simple little knot. Now, to add a little extra spook, we're gonna draw eyes and a mouth on the ghost with our marker. Well, that is absolutely atrocious, but it's gonna have to do. What a cutie. I think I'll name him Nemo. I don't really know why.
First day of school! Wake up, wake up! Come on, first day of school!
Oh, I don't want to go to school. 5 more minutes.
So now my ghost is complete. I'm going to make a few more, grab a few friends, and we're gonna play a game, baby! I got my gaggle of ghosts, baby! And these randos, too. I'll give them a go. Oh, I tingle! So, the rule of the game is everyone is going to put their ghosts in the middle, and then we're going to roll this dice. If we roll a 1 or a 6, we're going to slam down the lid. Ow!
Okay.
You should probably get your lid closer.
I didn't see it.
Now, kids, this is
all
the thing.
died.
You have to be careful of Knuckles.
One.
Now, you've got to be careful because if the cotton ball becomes unattached or the string falls off of the ghost, you're out of the game. And that's it. Now you got a new friend named Nemo, a bunch of randos, and you know how to play? Slam the lid. I don't think that's what it's actually called, but that's what it's called now. So, as my friend Jimmy Neutron would say, gotta play.